Hi, this is Caleb Gedkin. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Matt Redman's Your Grace Finds Me album on CD. It came out in 2013. And the record companies are Six Step Records and Sparrow Records. Let's get started. Here's the cover. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Here's the back. Here's the inside. Here's the disc right here, and here's the other side of the disc. Here's the inside of the case again. Here's the front of the booklet. Here's the inside of the booklet. And here's the back of the booklet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.